The world's first rechargeable Zinc-Air battery is poised to revolutionize energy storage solutions. Zinc is exceptionally cheap and abundant, so this tech could revolutionize our energy systems. For decades, disposable alkaline batteries have been the go-to for many everyday applications. These batteries, which rely on zinc as the primary charge carrier, are popular due to their affordability and lightweight design. However, despite their usefulness, traditional Zinc-Air batteries have a major flaw. They aren't rechargeable. The underlying chemistry leads to carbonates blocking the electrodes and the formation of zinc dendrites that can short-circuit the battery. Recently, an international team of researchers has found a way to overcome these challenges and make zinc batteries rechargeable by changing the battery's electrolyte. The team's innovation lies in moving away from the alkaline electrolyte that typically gives zinc batteries their name. In standard alkaline conditions, zinc releases electrons while oxygen at the air electrode breaks down into reactive hydroxide ions, which eventually react with carbon dioxide from the air to form carbonates. These carbonates block the air electrode, shortening the battery's lifespan. Additionally, zinc does not redeposit smoothly on its electrode during recharging, leading to the growth of spiky dendrites that damage the battery. The researchers tackled these issues by developing a hydrophobic electrolyte based on trifluoromethensulfonate, which helps prevent the formation of hydroxide ions and their associated problems at the air electrode. The results were promising. The new electrolyte not only prevents the formation of zinc dendrites for a significant period, but also changes the battery's discharge process. Tests showed that the new Zinc-Air battery could run for 1/600 hours, far surpassing the performance of standard Zinc-Air designs. While challenges remain, such as the slow charge-discharge rate and eventual evaporation of water from the electrolyte, the potential for using zinc-based batteries for large-scale energy storage is exciting. With zinc being far cheaper than lithium, these batteries could be ideal for energy storage in electric grids, helping to make renewable energy more feasible while preserving lithium for high-performance applications like electric vehicles. The advancement in rechargeable Zinc-Air battery technology holds the promise of transforming the way we store and use energy for a sustainable future. This cutting-edge technology not only improves energy efficiency but also supports global efforts to transition towards cleaner energy solutions. As the world moves towards more sustainable practices, the integration of Zinc-Air batteries could be key to meeting future energy demands. The potential for widespread adoption of this technology could reshape our energy landscape, making it more efficient and reliable. Ultimately, the future of energy storage may very well hinge on the success of innovations like the rechargeable Zinc-Air battery. Education and innovation will play crucial roles in harnessing the full potential of these groundbreaking energy solutions. As more individuals and businesses adopt this technology, the collective impact on energy consumption and sustainability could be profound.